Hi, my name is Stephanie Stout, and I lead product marketing here at BackBox. I'm excited to share what's new in our latest release, BackBox 8. I'm going to run through some highlights that we have informed, that's kind of helped inform this release. Then I'll delve into the new and exciting features in BackBox 8, and then I'll share where you can go and learn more and upgrade. So let's start with why we did this release. So, what are we actually seeing out there in the market that's kind of help inform this? First, modern network infrastructure has shifted towards cloud managed SASE. Companies have either deployed or they plan to deploy SASE within the next couple years. So, what does that actually mean for network infrastructure? Well, the diverse range of device types and vendors presents a more complex challenge for network visibility, security, and compliance, particularly in these cloud managed environments. Additionally, this broadens the attack surface for malicious actors, making it easier for vulnerabilities and attacks to go undetected. Needless to say, the journey can be bumpy. So, throughout this year, we've observed some key trends in network cyber resilience. First, managing on-prem and cloud networks is complicated without having a centralized system. Teams often use a multitude of diverse tools across different locations, resulting in limited visibility. To effectively enforce cyber resilience, they need a unified view that provides a reliable source for visibility, security, and compliance. So, with the release of BackBox 8, we help secure modern network infrastructure. So, by combining the power of our innovative capabilities and unique architecture, you gain visibility across your networks, on-prem and cloud managed, and you have a unified way to protect and recover them. Let me go ahead and show you how. So I've broken our new features into three different themes: visibility, intelligence, and compliance. And I'm going to go ahead and start with visibility. So most solutions fail to provide a single view across everything you protect, and none actually offer a unified way to manage it. And that usually means there are a multitude of interfaces, to get a complete picture and actually take action. It also means that you've got to be an expert in each of those interfaces, and often they don't work together. So you have to do manual consolidation, and that drives up cost and risk. Backbox offers a single way to see and govern your network cyber resilience across on-prem and cloud-managed network infrastructure. So I'd like to go ahead and share two new features that help deliver this critical visibility. In BackBox 8, we now have a new platform homepage that provides a holistic view of network cyber resilience. So when you first log in, you see a straightforward operational dashboard that provides a quick view of your current status, including device coverage, compliance, and vulnerability intelligence. It's a great starting point for you to get a high-level overview and then dig deeper for more information. And never fear, your other dashboards are still available on the platform. BackBox 8 also offers a convenient way to manage network devices throughout their entire lifecycle. And this makes it easier for you to onboard, promote, and manage your devices efficiently. The lifecycle states staging, active, maintenance, ignored, and orphaned are available in device metadata to facilitate things like automation behavior, compliance checks, and license management allocation. This ensures efficient tracking and management of devices for security, compliance, and operational integrity. It's all about making device management reliable and straightforward. Now let's talk about intelligence. Monitoring only tells you what you already know. Threat actors use AI to discover and exploit more vulnerabilities faster. So you need a smarter way and the right intelligence to tackle vulnerabilities at your network edge. BackBox 8 has enhanced our vulnerability intelligence by offering support for Cisco Meraki devices, providing a unified view of cloud and on-prem network infrastructure within a single platform. And yes, that same advanced vulnerability intelligence that we provide for on-prem devices is now available for Meraki. Then speaking of advanced vulnerability intelligence, we've also introduced CVE workaround insights to help you easily identify CVEs that have a workaround. Let me take you through both. So ensuring compliance before deploying cloud-managed SASE devices is tough. So non-compliant configurations can create security risk and operational issues. BackBox 8 offers Meraki support to help schedule regular device imports directly into a staging environment and to validate compliance before moving to an actively managed production-ready state. We can identify orphan devices to ensure inventory accuracy and help manage the complexity of integrating with many sources of truth. Finally, we can validate Meraki device configurations against industry or custom policies and detect vulnerabilities, providing a workaround or mitigation guidance for the current configuration. And speaking of workaround guidance, let's talk about CVE workaround insights. Many customers told us that they wanted to see which CVEs reported by BackBox have a usable workaround. Really a way to counter a known CVE without having to go through the whole process of patching or upgrading the device. Now we give you the option to upgrade at your convenience. So with BackBox, you can identify which CVEs have available workarounds, allowing you to address CVEs through configuration changes, thereby saving valuable time compared to doing a full device upgrade. Finally, I'm going to cover compliance. Our latest compliance features continue to expand our coverage, enabling you to run checks that identify configuration drift and automatically correct non-compliant device configurations. First, we have device compliance status. Ensuring that network devices comply with industry, company, and regulatory standards is a complex and time-consuming process. Network teams often have limited visibility into compliance status at the device level, and that can lead to security gaps, audit failures, and even increased risk of non-compliance penalties. BackBox 8 provides visibility into the compliance status of each network device, offering immediate insight into whether a device is unchecked, pass, or fail, according to the defined compliance standards. Now you can quickly verify compliance requirements and, when necessary, address non-compliant devices before they become security vulnerabilities. Also, recent breaches and business outages have prompted new regulations, such as DORA, to guide cyber resilience efforts. Tracking and auditing network device configurations and inventory changes can be challenging, particularly when meeting those compliance requirements. The good news is BackBox 8 enables you to generate and compare device configuration and inventory reports between any two dates. It also offers filter comparison options to track changes, ensure compliance, and streamline audits. And yes, there's more. So with each release, we always like to take our customer feedback into consideration and look for ways to improve the performance of our platform. And given that, there are two new features I want to make certain that I share. So the first feature is hardening agent and server communication. With the deployment of BackBox servers and agents, you can now choose the direction of agent communication. Agents can securely initiate communication with the management server to check for new messages and tasks. This eliminates the need for inbound HTTP connections, enhancing security and simplifying network configuration. And finally, we've expanded our event-driven automation capabilities with the Event Viewer. As network environments become increasingly complex, gaining visibility is crucial for informed decision-making. I think I've mentioned that a couple times here. Our enhanced event-driven automation now includes this Event Viewer, which allows you to search, filter, and review event messages received from source devices. Understanding event patterns before deployment ensures accurate and predictable automation behavior. So I know I've shared a lot here. So to help you do some additional research for yourself, head to backbox.com and check out our support section. Under product documentation, you're going to find the latest release notes. And while I've provided a summary of all these key features, there's definitely more in the release notes. Also, while you're in product documentation, you're also going to notice that we have a new user guide available. Be sure to download that for more details on the key features I covered here. And finally, you may want to upgrade. So under support, select patches and upgrades. That will take you to a page where you can view available upgrades and see what versions we're currently supporting. Additionally, if you are a BackBox customer and would like to be notified of new versions that are, when new versions are being released, please subscribe to receive updates. And finally, If you are a BackBox customer or partner, reach out to your customer success manager. I'm sure they'd love to show you BackBox 8 in action. Or visit our website to schedule a personalized demo today and learn more. Thanks for your time and have a great day.